Hi friends! So this week our book is called I Heard, Said the Bird. There's a lot of rhyming words in this book, so keep ear out for those words that sound the same at the end. That's what makes a word rhyme, when they sound the same at the end. A bird flew into the barnyard. I heard, said the bird. I heard. What? Asked all the animals. What did you hear? I heard, said the bird, that there's a new one coming. Soon the barnyard was bustling with the news. Everyone began asking, what is the new one going to be? They asked the duck, is the new one a duckling? But the duck said no. They asked the pig, is the new one a piglet? But the pig said no. So it's not a duckling and it's not a piglet. They asked the goose and the hare. And friends, remember, hare is another word for our rabbit. They asked the mouse and the mare. And remember, a mare is a girl horse. Here is our girl horse, our mare. They asked here and there and everywhere, but everybody said no. How do you know there's a new one coming? Said the animals all together. I heard, said the bird. How? Said the cow. When? Said the hen. Where? Said the mare. In the house, squeaked the mouse. All right, so there's a lot of those rhyming words. Just then, a little boy came out. What's going on? He asked. Well, the animals told him, it's about the new one. I heard, said the bird. How? Said the cow. When? Said the hen. Where? Said the mare. In the house? Squeaked the mouse. Yes, said the little boy. Yes, what? Shouted all the animals. Yes, said the little boy, the new one is in the house, and if you'll be very quiet, I'll let you see him. Ooh, cried the animals all together. Then, very quietly, the little boy led the animals to the house, and very quietly they all tiptoed to the window and looked inside. It's a new baby, the little boy whispered. Oh, look at the little baby down there. My word, said the bird. And how? Said the cow. Of course, said the horse. I declare, said the hare. So the new one ended up being a human baby. Well, thanks for reading with me, friends.